Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We want to prove the claim that 1 psi is loss from a decrease of 10 degrees Fahrenheit. Prove this claim if it's valid or not. Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. So we got a tire and it's dropped by 10 degrees Fahrenheit and we want to check the pressure. So step 2, list all the given variables, find the unknown. So we want to prove the claim if it's valid or not. So really we're trying to find the change in pressure. So I'll paste that in. And the claim is it true or not? So that's what we're trying to find. In this question, we do need to make some assumptions. So we assume that air is an ideal gas. The volume of air is constant in the tire. The tire is in thermal equilibrium with the outside air. The atmospheric conditions are 70 degrees Fahrenheit and 1 atmosphere for 14.7 psia. So that's the absolute pressure. Step 3, find the pressure change formula. So delta P is equal to the initial pressure minus the final pressure. Why is it initial minus final? So if you go back to the question, they say it's a decrease. So the original pressure will always be higher because we're trying to find out the change in pressure. So there will be a decrease. So that's why it's the opposite. So just be careful. Don't assume it's final minus initial. It's actually the other way around. Step 4, find the final pressure formula. So the final pressure, P final, is equal to the temperature ratio multiplied by the initial pressure. How did we get this formula? We derived it from the ideal gas ratio. So step 5, deriving the final pressure formula. So we start off with the ratio from the ideal gas. So PV divided by T, we got initial on one side, final on the other side. The volume is constant, so they cancel out. And our temperature ratio is going to be final over initial once we rearrange and make the final pressure the subject. Okay. Step 6, find the final pressure. So now we just plug in the values. So we've got the final temperature. In the question, it's stated that it is minus 10 degrees Fahrenheit. So the original temperature minus 10 degrees Fahrenheit, and our assumption is that the initial temperature is going to be 70 degrees Fahrenheit. That is an assumption, so that's where we got the 60 from. So 70 minus 10 is 60, and since it's an ideal gas, we need to add 460 to make it Rankine, to make it an absolute temperature. Okay. So our initial pressure, 32 psia plus the atmospheric absolute pressure. So that becomes 45.8. And now we need to subtract that atmospheric pressure in order to get the gauge pressure. So we get 31.1 pounds per square inch gauge, so P-sig. So step 7, find the change in pressure. So 32 minus 31.1, and that will give us 0.9 pounds per square inch PSI. So 0.9 PSI is close to 1 PSI. The statement is valid for every 10 degrees Fahrenheit dropped. It loses 1 pound per square inch. Note that we are using absolute temperature for ideal gas calculations. Using the gauge pressure would result in a 0.6 psi drop, which is less than 1 psi. Disclaimers: the method is correct. However, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Now, before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC, just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. You can do this by using Snipping Tool. If you never used Snipping Tool before, follow these instructions. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of Snipping Tool. Click on your icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search. Type in Snipping Tool, open up the program. Click on Video option. Click on New. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in Snipping Tool, wait for the countdown. Hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in Snipping Tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.